Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new Roblox Studio video. My name is Floppy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a part color change using script. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you on how you actually make your part color change using script. So this could be a one-time system where it goes from red to green to yellow, or it could be a loop system. It could be really whatever you would like. But in this tutorial, that is what we will be covering. So for starters, you're going to want to make sure Explorer and Properties are enabled. If Explorer and Properties are not enabled, click on the top bar here, click on View, and enable Explorer and Properties, and they should pop up somewhere over your screen. You then want to click back on Home, and then you want to insert your part. This is going to be the part that we're going to be working with today, and this is going to be the part that is going to be changing colors. So I'm going to go and anchor it, and you can go rename it if you would like. It's not necessary though. Then you want to click the plus button on your part, and then we want to insert a script. Now I'm going to be showing you a couple of different ways on how you can actually do this, and all I'm going to be doing is kind of running you through on actually how everything works. Now we can do this in many different ways. I'm going to try keep it as short, as simple as possible, but hopefully you're able to follow along. So what we can do first is we can go and identify on what our part is. So because our part is inside our script, we can go to the script.theparent. Then we want to go and change the brick color, and that is what the brick color is there. So the color, but we're actually changing the brick color. So we want to go in script.parent.brick color equals brick color dot new, insert the brackets, and then we want to go and insert the speech marks, but then we want to go and type in the color that we would like our part to be. So for example, we can use lime green here, or you could use black, you could use white, you could use really whatever you would like, but for this tutorial I'm going to start off with lime green. Now we can go and do that, because basically what is going to happen here now is when the code runs in the game and we go and test it out, the part will change to green because we are going to the script to the parent. So from the script to the parent to the brick color equals brick color.new. Basically we're setting the part to be a different color, and our color is going to be lime green. So if I had to join into the game now, and keep in mind our brick color is currently medium stone gray, but if I go and join into the game now, we will be able to see that it is green. As you guys can see, we've just loaded into the game and our part is green and our script has run correctly. Now you may think, oh okay, what if I wanted to add multiple more? All you do is, you just go and copy all this, and all you want to do is you just want to click enter here, and then you want to add a bit of a wait time. So this wait time could be 1 second, for example. Then we want to click enter, and then we can go and paste that in just like that, and just go and change the color that you would like your part to change to. For example, we can go and change this to red. So we could go really red here, and we could do it again and go wait, one just like that, paste that, and then we can change this to maybe a blue, let's say a baby blue, just like that. And then we can go and click X on our script and go click on play. Now when we join into the game, it will go from green to red to blue, and as you guys could see, it did that quite quickly, because by the time we had loaded into the game, it had already been about 3-4 seconds, so the script was already over. Now that is how you can make it a one-time event basically. So what this means is when you join to the game, this will play from script.parent yada 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 to the lime green, red, and the baby blue. That will play just once, it will not loop, and that's kind of done forever. Until you join back into the game or the server resets, this script will not run again. Now let's say you wanted the script to run infinitely and be on kind of a bit of a loop system where it loops from the green to the red to the baby blue. All you want to do, you just want to go and click enter next to your script up here, and we want to go and type in while true do. Now this is also going to give us an end thing here, and what we want to do, we want to go and copy our script here with our script.parent.brick color. We can actually go and delete this one here. Just make sure to copy it, you don't want to have to retype it. We want to go and copy that, and we can just paste that in right there. Now basically what this will do is while true do, while the script is true, it will do this, and it will continue to loop forever and ever for as long as you're in the server and as long as the server is open. So if we go click X and we go click on play, now if we join into the game here, you'll be able to see that it will vary from the green to the red to the blue. Oh, it didn't go to the blue. Right, okay, so the reason for this, that's my mistake, sorry about that. Yeah, the reason for this is because what it's doing, it's looping it here, but we do not have any wait time between the baby blue and it looping back to the top. Because what it does is it starts the script, it goes lime, then it waits 1 second, to the red, waits 1 second, then goes to the blue. Then the moment it's got to the blue, it's going straight back to the green already. So it actually has no time to transition. So what we can do, we can go and add a wait time here just by adding 1. Now that should work. Or you can also add that to the top. It's up to you. So if you want the script to wait 1 second after you've loaded into the game, then the script starts to run, you can also do that. But let's go and click X up here, and if we go click on play now we will be able to get the green, red and blue all going at their specific times. So red, blue and green. So they're green, red, blue, just like in our script. Now you could do this and make this kind of like a bit of a disco floor. It's completely up to you, but this is how we can make the part change colors in a loop sort of style. Now you can also do this with materials. Now I can kind of give you a bit of a rundown on how this works also, but I think I'll most likely make a separate tutorial video showing you actually how to change the materials also. But I'll give you a quick demonstration here on the lime green part. What we can go and do is we can go and write in script.parent, because we're going from the script to the parent, because we are going to our part, which the part is script.the parent of the script is our part. We can go script.parent.material, because we're changing the material. Then we can go equals enum.material, and then dot whatever the material is. So we could go and do neon. Neon would look quite good. Or you could even go do wood planks. We can actually do wood planks for this tutorial. So what will happen here is the script will start running. It will go to the green, then it will go and set the material to the wood planks. Then it will wait 1 second and set it to red. Now we will still continue to have the material as wood planks, is because we changed it in the script. Now let's say if we wanted the red one to maybe be a cracked lava, or maybe ice, or really any texture you would like, or even just like a smooth plastic, you would actually have to go and change it back. So just like what we've done here, we'll go and do script.parent. Please excuse me, I'm a little bit rusty with the scripting. I have been away recently and I've kind of lost a bit of touch on my keyboard. I mean, it's nearly been 3 weeks since I've actually done anything on my computer, so please bear with me here. If my typing is bad, please bear with me. But basically we're doing exactly what we did up here. Script.parent.material equals enum.material dot, is it new? No, we don't only do any dot new there. Then dot our material that we would like it to change it to. So we could actually go and do mud. Mud is a good example for this one, because now we are changing it to mud. Now, because we're not changing it again, now you can also go and change it, but for this tutorial, I'm going to leave it like this, because when the script goes, it'll change the material to the wood planks up here, then it will change the material to mud, but then when it goes over to the blue, the material will still be mud. So for example, let's say you wanted it to maybe have a smooth plastic, all you do the exact same part of the script here, right underneath the baby blue, just like that. But if we go test it out now, and we go click on play, we'll be able to see that the green starts with wood planks, the red then goes over to the mud, and then it goes over to, it stays in the mud texture for the baby blue, because we did not go and change the material in the script. So as you guys can see, there we have the green planks, the red mud, and also the blue mud, back to the green planks, and it continues to loop over and over again. Now keep in mind, if you did not want the script to repeat, and you would just like it to be a one-time thing when you first join into the game, all you do, you just remove the while true do, and you also remove the end. Now you can also go and add a bit of a bigger wait time. So let's say you wanted the part to only change 60 seconds after you've actually joined into the game. What you can do, you can go and click on enter over here, and then we can just go just like that actually, and we can go and do wait 60, because we're basically waiting by 60 seconds. Now everything in Roblox Studio is valued by seconds, okay? There is no minutes, there is no hours. So if you wanted it to only play an hour after the game has actually loaded in, or someone's been in the game and the server is over an hour's old, you need to go and find out 1 hour in seconds, and you'd put that here. So for example, let's say 1 hour is 6,000 seconds, we'd put 6,000 there. But right now we've got it at 60, because we are valuing it in seconds, because it is 60 seconds, which is 1 minute. So after 1 minute, the script will run, wait, yada yada yada, and then it will finish off with the baby blue in the mud texture. Now keep in mind, all this is customizable. It's completely up to you what colors you choose, what materials you choose, but I'll go more in depth with the materials in maybe a future video. Hopefully this has given you an idea of actually how the script works with the color changing of parts. This is used on many disco floors, but you tend to see that the disco floors, their colors change a lot more often. Now all you would do for this is you just set the time to maybe 0.5, 0.1, maybe 0.01 to make it a split second transition. I have previously done a video on actually how to make a nice smooth color changing floor, which you could use for a disco, but it's not more of a kind of like a flashing situation. It's more of a nice smooth kind of nice fade in and out between of colors, and it's not a sudden change. So if you would like to find that tutorial, it'll be pinned in the outro. If you would like to see more Roblox Studio videos like these, make sure to consider subscribing to the channel, turning on the notification bell so you're notified every single time we upload a new video. If you guys are a little bit lost, please feel free to send me a message on Discord or create a ticket to my Discord server, and we will happily help you out with any issues you have. But anyway guys, I'm going to wrap up the video here. If you did enjoy, I'd appreciate it if you do consider subscribing to the channel, turning on the notification bell, and also do liking the video. I'd really appreciate it. But anyway, have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see everyone in the next video.